In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear shocks on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Underneath the rear axle, I'm just using a pole jack. I'm just going to support just where that shock is. You might have to raise it up or down. Using a 21mm wrench, put it on the nut in a 21mm socket. Loosen that up. I'll just leave the bolt in there for now. At the top, we're going to use the 21mm wrench on the inside on the nut, 21mm socket on the bolt. Take that bolt out. Grab the shock, pull the bolt out, and just walk it out. And it slides right out. Take the shock, and you want to compress it and let it extend. You want to do this 3 times. Now take the shock, slide it up top, get the bolt started, and down below. Get that lined up. Slide the bolt through. Get that nut started. Snug these down. And we'll torque this to 70 foot-pounds. Put the nut on. Torque this to 70 foot-pounds. Lower the pole jack. Slide it out of the way.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.